The new Honda Fury instantly grabs attention with its stretched-out front end, aggressive chopper stance, and massive V-twin engine that looks like pure muscle on two wheels. Honda keeps the classic custom bike spirit alive while most manufacturers move toward modern sport cruisers. The 2026 model continues that legendary low and long design with sharper details that make this bike feel like a rolling piece of art. One of the biggest reasons riders are talking about the 2026 Honda Fury is the powerful 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine. The engine delivers deep torque, smooth cruising power, and that classic rumbling exhaust note every chopper fan loves. Unlike many custom choppers that sacrifice comfort, the Fury is surprisingly easy to ride thanks to Honda's refined engineering and shaft drive system. The design is where this motorcycle becomes absolutely unforgettable. From the ultra-raked front fork to the slim teardrop fuel tank and giant rear tire, the Fury looks like a custom-built motorcycle straight out of a Hollywood movie. Even parked, this bike turns heads everywhere. Many riders online describe it as one of the most unique motorcycles Honda has ever created. Another thing that makes the 2026 Fury special is its low seat height of only 26.7 inches. That means riders can feel confident and comfortable while still enjoying the intimidating appearance of a full-size chopper. The stretched wheelbase gives the bike a smooth highway feel, making long cruising rides feel relaxed and stable. When it comes to technology, Honda keeps things simple and focused on pure riding experience. The Fury includes standard ABS braking, fuel injection, and Honda's famously reliable drivetrain. Instead of overloading the motorcycle with screens and electronics, Honda keeps the Fury raw, mechanical, and emotional, exactly what many cruiser fans want. The expected price of the new 2026 Honda Fury chopper starts around $11,499 while destination charges can add roughly $775 depending on the dealer. Considering its premium chopper styling and reliable Honda engineering, many riders believe the Fury offers incredible value compared to expensive custom-built motorcycles. Of course, the Fury is not built for racing or aggressive cornering. This motorcycle is all about style, presence, and relaxed cruising. Some riders mention the lack of a sixth gear and the small fuel tank as minor drawbacks, but most owners agree the Fury delivers a unique riding experience that few factory motorcycles can match. In the end, the 2026 Honda Fury proves that chopper motorcycles are far from dead. It combines custom bike attitude, legendary Honda reliability, and unforgettable road presence into one machine. If you want a motorcycle that makes people stare at every traffic light, the new Honda Fury might be one of the coolest factory choppers ever made.